Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is presenting and the 3 Ps. In real estate, if it's location, 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 then I feel in presenting it's the P, P and P. That is purpose, preparation and practice. So number 1, purpose. What's your reason for doing the presentation? I know this seems obvious, but what's your purpose for being there? What's your goal? Number 2, your preparation. Do you know the client? Do you know what they need, their wants, desires? Have you asked them questions beforehand? Are you going to ask questions when you get there? Have you linked it back to them? Do you understand exactly their knowledge level on your solution? There's a lot of preparation that needs to take place. And the third one is practice. The average time for a keynote speech is around 3 months. The average time for a comedian is around 3 months. Everyone spends a lot of time practicing. Do you know why? Because unless you practice a lot of times, you're still inward focused on your presentation and not present and outward focused on your clients. When you get there, you need to know that presentation off by heart, so much so that I think at least 7 times you'll have done it, so that you can actually sort of forget about it and now be present and see what they are understanding and what they're not. That you can change your pace, that you can adapt it on the spot. So to summarise very simply, presentations, the 3 Ps, purpose, preparation and practice. If you think a colleague would find this useful, then do share. If you've got a comment about your last presentation, then put it below. And if you'd like more tips on presenting, how to put forward your solution to win the deal, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.